Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Valentine's inspired frog. So let's get started. To draw this super sweet frog, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And now that I have this circle, I'm going to come across nice and wide. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles, and then since I'm drawing pretty big, I have enough space. So I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. But if you're drawing pretty small and you don't have room, go ahead and just put in one highlight right here on this corner and then shade everything else in black. It's just nice to have these draw so cute eyes, right? Because that way you can put in some color in the eyes. Oh, and lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. There. So now that these two eyes in, I'm going to, let's see here, let's come in between the eyes, and I'm going to say about right here. I'm going to skip a little bit of space, and in between about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve. So this is the top of our head. Just a little curve right there in between. Then using that, we're going to go around our eye. So we're just going to draw a curve to go around this eye all the way down. So same thing on this side, just go all the way around, and I'm just going to drag this point across just so that I make sure I'm approximately the same height as the other eye, so about right there, so that I can just see it a little bit better to create my curve. It's always harder on the other side because you have to try to match the side you drew. Okay, there, approximately. Now that we have this curve, I'm going to bring this down a little bit more to match the same level as this side. So a little bit more, about right there. Then from there, now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw a smile for our frog. So right under here in the center, I'm going to go ahead and just draw the bottom of a U to create this cute smile, and then thicken it up. There. Aww. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the head. So let's come here and we're going to draw a big curve, both sides. And let's go ahead and bring it in. So this part is a little bit wider, and then we're just going to start to bring it in. And let's keep going. So I'm going to bring it in a bit more to say about right here, the center of our eye, just approximate. And same thing here. There. And so now that we have this curve in, we're going to go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come right here and pop this out on both sides. And let's go ahead and draw this cute little body. So we're going to angle it out and then come back in. So it's a small little body. And about right there, let's go ahead and bring it in. And connect at the bottom with a curve, soft curve. There. Okay, so we have our basic shape in for our body. Then from there, I'm going to come right here on this little corner, and I'm going to come here and pop in this little hand and bring it down. So same thing here. This is my guide. I'm going to come in about right there and draw this curve and bring it in. So this is the hand of our frog. And then we're going to draw a big heart. So I'm going to find my center. So let's say about right here. I'm going to come down to about right here. I'll give myself a point. And then I'm going to bring it all the way down to say about how far I want my heart to go. So I'm going to say about right here. Just kind of imagining where I want the heart. So now these 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and draw my heart. So I'm going to have a nice full heart. Bring it around, and I want it to come about right here. Oops. Round it off. Okay, and then just imagine this is coming through. And in. There, approximate. And you can definitely make any adjustments you need. I just want to, I think I want it nice and much fuller right here. Okay, so then from there we're going to draw the other side. So I'm just going to try my best to follow the other side. So approximately right there. And we're going to aim for this area right here and here. So let's bring this side in, and bear with me here. Always come back in if you need to make any adjustments. So come back and go ahead and connect. There. Okay. So hopefully that helped you draw this heart. I know it's very big, and so it could be a little bit tricky, but just by giving yourself these 2 points, it just makes it a little bit easier, and you can always definitely go back in to make any adjustments. So just step back and take a look at how you your heart too. If you want it fuller, wider, thinner, it's all up to you. Okay, so now that I have this huge heart in, I'm gonna come about right here, and I'm just going to go around my frog's body, a little bit lower towards the bottom to draw the tummy area, so that I can just give my frog here some different color. So right here, connect. Okay, and then last thing we need to draw are the legs. So I'm going to come about right here and just pop in this curve, bring it in to about right there, and then we're just going to pop out these 3, 1, 2, and 3 little toes. So just drag this across approximately on this side, same thing, and bring it close to the body, so about right here. And same thing, go out, 1, 2, and 3 for the legs. And let's see, hopefully I'm not missing anything. Sorry, I keep messing with this heart. It's like I want to make it fuller and bigger just to fill up this space. Okay, I'll leave it for now, and I really hope you love how this cute little frog turned out to celebrate love and Valentines. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.